Happy birthday, Captain Dad Jojo.
Let's walk down memory lane as we celebrate the birthday of our dearest Captain Dad Jojo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Today's your special day, and we're here to say, may all your dreams come true in every single way. Happy birthday. You shine like the morning sun. Here's to joy, love, and laughter, and a year full of fun. You've touched so many hearts with your kindness and your grace. A true light in the darkness, a smile on every face. May your journey ahead be bright, filled with wonder day and night. May you dance in the rain, feel no sorrow, no pain. Happy birthday. You shine like the morning sun. Here's to joy, love, and laughter, and a year full of fun.
Who is Captain Dad Jojo as a captain of NP Fam?
Sino nga ba si Captain Jojo? Well, para sa akin, si Captain Jojo ay napaka-loving, napaka-passionate, and dedicated when it comes to music. At syempre, ever supportive din siya sa kanyang mga ka-NP fam.
Para sa akin, si Daddy ay napaka-supportive. Hindi lang para sa aming mga captains, kundi pati sa mga members natin. Whenever we encounter problems, lagi siyang ready to give advices. Sana po, wag po kayo magbago.
Mabait, mayaman ang puso at mahaba ang pasensya lalo na sa akin. Thank you.
Happy birthday po sa pinakagwapo at pinakasimpatikong captain sa balat ng SM. Yan si Daddy Joe. As a captain of NP family, he has a heart full of love and compassion.
As a captain in this NP fam, you are a good person.
In your special day, this our message to you.
Happy birthday, Cap Jojo. We love you so much. Thank you so much for all the effort, for the love of NP Fam. At andito lang kami lahat. Lagi nakaalalay sa'yo sa anumang gusto mong mangyari para sa ikagaganda at ikakabubuti ng ating family. Ang NP Fam ay hindi lamang ito isang samahan ng magagaling na mga artist, kundi ito ay samahan din ng mga magagaling na taong mga mapagmahal, mga kaibigan, at higit sa lahat, mga kapatid. So maraming salamat. Happy birthday, and may you have more birthdays to come, and God bless always. I love you. Hope to see you. At abangan na natin ang ating next trip. Alam mo na yan. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday! Stay healthy. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Wishing you all the best. Good health. I love you. Happiest birthday.
Hello po, Dad. Birthday mo na naman. Happy birthday po. Wish you all the best, good health, and more birthdays to come. Basta, Dad, pag aalis ka na ng mama, wag mo kong bibiglayin kasi hindi pa ako ready maging captain. Love you.
Wish ko sa'yo, Dad, sana healthy palagi para mas marami pa tayong pagsasamahang outing together with the whole NP family. May God grant all your heart's wish. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Hi po, Daddy. Happy birthday po sa pinakagwapo naming captain. Wish ko po para sa iyo, sana dumami pa po ang mga birthdays na dumating sa iyong buhay kasi gusto pa po ka namin makasama. Good health at saka thank you po sa pagtitiwala sa lahat-lahat. God bless you po. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day. Love you po.
Kaya ngayong araw mo, I just want to greet you a happy birthday, and may all your heart's desire will come true. Siyempre, good health din. And continue to be an inspiration to other people. Keep singing. Kaya nga idol kita eh. Alam ko marami ka pang may inspire na ibang tao. Kaya once again, happy birthday, Daddy Jojo, and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to my BFF Jojo, ang aking simpatikong BFF. Wish ko lang sa'yo na laging malakas lang at good health lang. Gayon din ang iyong buong pamilya. Ayan, lagi lang mag-iingat my BFF. At alam mo naman, di tayo bumabata, pabagets ng pabagets. So, stay healthy at chill lang. Ayan. God bless you more my BFF. Happy birthday to you. At sana dumami pa ang mga birthdays na darating sa iyong buhay. At dumami pa rin ang mga kaibigan na magmamahal sa iyo. Ayan, BFF, narito lang ang iyong BFF na matanders na. Nasa tabi-tabi lang. Ayan. Happy birthday to you. Ayan. God bless my BFF Jojo. At huwag ka sana magbabago. Laging maging mabait. Ayan. At mahal sa kapwa at laging magdasal sa ating Panginoon, sapagkat alam ko na maraming binibigay na blessing sa iyo ang ating Panginoong may kapal. So yun lang, may BFF. Happy birthday, muwa, chup. Ayan. Bye-bye! Tayo'y nagda-drive pa uwi. So, happy birthday sa aking mahal na BFF Jojo.
Happy birthday, Dad Jojo. Sana bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng mahaba pang panahon. At salamat sa lahat. At salamat sa mga pangunawa sa amin. Happy birthday!
Good day po sa lahat. Happy birthday po, Kap Jojo. Wish ko sa iyo is good health palagi. Huwag kang magbabago. You are my best friend forever. Basta palagi kang mag-ingat para sa pamilya mo, para sa amin din. God bless you spiritually. I know you are a strong man. Keep it up. God bless. More birthdays to come.
Daddy Joe, happy birthday. God bless and good health to you and your family. Thank you for being part of NP family.
Hi, happy birthday, Daddy. Enjoy your day with your loved ones, especially your family. Wala akong ibang wish kundi good health para sa iyo, para ma-enjoy mo pa ang maraming taon ng buhay mo. Happy birthday!
Hello po, Daddy. Happy birthday. I love you, Daddy.
Happy birthday po, Dad. Wishing you all the best and God bless you more. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday, Daddy. We love you.
Love you. We love you, Daddy.
I am so grateful that you have been blessed with another year, Captain Daddy Jojo. We are also thankful and blessed dahil ikaw po yung naging ama namin dito sa NP family, na kahit paminsan-minsan pasaway kami, nakaka-encounter ka ng problema dahil sa amin, nananatili ka na nandyan para sa amin kasi love mo kami. Dahil we are a happy family pa rin kahit na anong problema yon. Dahil isa pa, you are a wonderful man of faith. When you encounter problems into your life, like a non-stop rain, always remember that God will always be your umbrella. May He give you the desire of your heart and make your plans succeed. God bless and happy birthday again, Daddy Jojo. Thank you.
Hello, Kap. Peace and happiness be with you po as you celebrate your 59th birthday. Wish ko lang po sa inyo long life to live, good health, at saka thank you so much po sa pagiging good leader at saka good father to us all sa NPFAM po. God bless you always and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kap Dad Jojo. Wish ko sa iyo good health and sana magtagal pa ang ating PAM. Isang taong makadiyos at mapagmahal sa kapwa. Again, happy birthday to you. I salute you.
A blessed healthy birthday to your dad. Please take good care of yourself always and enjoy your special day today. God bless you always. Salamat na ikaw ang nagiging tatay namin dito sa NPFAM.
Hello po! Happy birthday to you! May the good Lord grant you good health, wealth, and may He always keep you safe, and may all your wish come true. Enjoy your day, and ingat po kayo palagi. Tumatanda na po tayo, kaya dapat laging mag-ingat. Enjoy your day. God bless. And again, happy birthday!
Hello, happy birthday Sir Jojo. God bless ho. Sana magsama pa tayo ng marami sa Star Maker. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Captain. Wish you more birthdays to come. Sana lumago pa yung family natin. And of all the captains, siguro ikaw yung pinaka mabait. Thank you for taking me back in the family. God bless you and more power to NP family.
Hello po, Daddy Joe. Binabati po kita ng happy birthday. Wish ko lang po sa iyo, lagi kang malakas, matatag, at lagi kang ligtas sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. Sana po maging matatag pa po ang NPFAM at wish ko lang po sa inyo, mabuhay po NPFAM. Happy birthday, Daddy Joe. Love you.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Wish you all the best. Health is wealth. God bless.
To 1993. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Capt. Dad Jojo. We love you.
From NP Family.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.